factor of 380. So 380, it can be written as 2 times 190. 2 times 190 means 380. Now 190, it can be written as 2 times 95. 2 times 95 means 190. 95, it can be written as 5 times 19. 5 times 19 means 95. So now we select prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers here is 2, 2, 5 and 19. So we can write 380 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 2 times this 2 times this 5 times this 19. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.